Okay, now
Alright.
we have the.
So you met Tim Hetherington and Chris Hondros.
Yeah, I met them in the hospital.
What's your name?
Marwan.
Marwan what?
Marwan Labidi.
Awesome. Okay, so you met them in the hospital. Were they wounded, or how did you meet?
No, I met them from two other journalists. And they were in the hospital, and that day they were leaving in an ambulance.
Okay. All right, got it.
That day they were leaving in the ambulance, and it was the day of taking the forces out of Tripoli Street.
Yeah, it was the Tripoli Street battle.
Yeah, it was the Tripoli Street battle, and it was first target they hit was, you know how Gaddafi's forces fire one target to aim, and then the second one right at the goal.
Yeah, the RPG airburst.
Yeah, it was that kind of thing. First one didn't actually hit them. Second one, it was actually like to them. It was an RPG. They said.
And they were wounded? Were they killed by the RPG, or?
Yeah, two were killed.
And were you there when they were killed, or?
No, I wasn't there. Because I was fighting with other people.
Okay.
So I wasn't there, but I was like, I went with them, and they took a right and I took a left.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I was with them at the same place. And one doctor was.
Tamim, I think. So was he kind of a big, heavy-set guy?
Yeah.
That was Dr. Tamim. He was the only fat doctor.
I think he got his
No offense,
leg
Dr.
cut, right?
He got his leg cut.
Yeah.
I don't know actually if he got his leg injured. I'll have to ask him. It was if it was the day that they were wounded, it was probably Dr. Tamim.
Yeah, it was the same day.
Did he have a lab coat on, like a white lab coat?
I didn't really know. I didn't really actually.
It's okay.
Because it was like a day of it was a big war that day.
Yeah, a big battle.
Yeah, a big battle that day. And like last time I saw them, they were like in an ambulance. They were heading in an ambulance, and it was on Tripoli Street, and they took a right.
Yeah.
And I took a left. Like I went to my people, and they went to like the place where they filmed. It was like a dangerous place where they filmed, and they told them it was dangerous. But they're like, that's their job, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it was a dangerous place. So, and first thing Gaddafi's forces aim for is like journalists. They don't want anybody to know what they're doing.
They're also working hard to kill the ambulances in June.
Exactly. Yeah. They don't want anybody to live. That's basically it.
So, did you spend any time talking to them at all? Tim was the English guy.
Yeah, one. I think
he was
the tall guy.
I believe he's the tall one. I'd have to check the biography again.
One guy was tall.
So you're talking to the tall guy. We'll stay with that.
But I don't know what his name is.
That's okay. We can figure out who that was.
One guy had a couple of bruises on his shoulder. He had a couple of like broken pieces of the RPG in his shoulder, but he wasn't killed. He was okay.
Okay, so.
And I talked to him.
So there was a survivor as well.
There was a survivor. Yeah, I think there was two survivors.
Two survivors.
One got his leg cut and one was okay. And two people I think passed away.
Yeah, it was Tim Hetherington and Chris Hondros.
That's what I know.
Yeah, no, that's cool. That's cool. I met Dr. Tamim and he told me about it. Actually, it was the very first thing he told me because he was worried about my safety. He said, "Now listen, the last journalists I was with, they were killed. So I don't want you running ahead of us or going to places that weren't scouted because, you know, they aren't so proud anymore when they're in the back," is the exact thing he said to me. It was a pleasure to meet you. So how long have you been back here from Ottawa, Canada, where you were for a couple of years?
Like 2 years.
2 years now?
Something like that.
Yeah.
3 to 2 years, something like that.
Do you ever miss Canada?
Yeah, fuck it. Well, I mean, yeah, a lot. I mean, now I don't miss it because now I actually love my country now.
Yeah,
Before I don't.
Yeah.
Before I don't. With David's time, I don't.
Oh yeah.
There's no freedom.
Right.
But now, since the war started, I actually love my country.
The freedom.
I just smelled it, like, you know what I mean.
Yeah, you can see it. Everyone's happy, even though.
And even I was in Tunisia like a week ago. I was in Tunisia.
Yeah.
And because it was my dad, and I was like going crazy to come back here. It was the first time I ever leave. First time I ever leave Musrada, and I want to actually come back.
Yeah. Hey, one last question about those guys you saw in the ambulance. When you saw them get into the ambulance, were they wearing body armor? Did they have that blue press armor on? Were they all like armored up?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you're not? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to suggest details to you. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool. All right. Hey, thank you very much. All right, cool.
Shall we go? Because